Hi and welcome to my channel. Thank you for dropping by. Fasting month has just begun for Muslims, so I thought I'll share a recipe from the Malay community of Malaysia. The recipe is Sambal Chicken. It is chicken cooked in a chilli paste and it is an awesome dish to break the fast with. The ingredients are listed in the description box below, so come, let's start. 600 grams of bone-in skinless chicken that I marinated with salt and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric will be added later. I'm going to grind the mandatory chilli paste with 35 grams of dried red chillies, 2 fresh red chillies. I'm cutting the chillies up now for easy grinding. The bottom bits of 2 stalks of lemongrass cut into pieces. Let's grind this now. This is the ground chilli paste. 2 kaffir lime leaves that I'm going to cut into shreds. Half a medium-sized onion that I'm now chopping up. One medium-sized onion cut into rings. I have sufficient oil in a wok to half fry the chicken. The flame is at medium. First piece of chicken going in now. I am half frying the chicken in 2 batches, followed by the rest of the first batch. Let's now turn the chicken pieces over to cook on the other side. It's now time to remove these golden pieces of chicken from the oil. Second batch going in now. Let's now remove the second batch from the oil. I'm turning the flame off now and setting aside these chicken pieces. I've removed some of the oil from the frying pan and I've just added the chopped onion. Let's saute the onion. I'm adding the kaffir lime leaves now. The onion is getting translucent, so let's add the chilli paste now. Let's now cook this chilli paste until the raw smell is gone. I'm adding 5 grams of roasted belacan powder into the chilli paste now. The raw smell of the chilli paste is gone. Now can you see the oil separating from the paste? There you are. My kitchen is now filled with the aroma of the chilli paste, the belacan and the kaffir lime leaves. But I cannot dwell on this for too long because I have to add the chicken pieces into the chilli paste. Here they go in now. Let's now make sure that the chicken pieces are well coated with this aromatic chili paste. The flame, by the way, is still at medium. The chicken is almost cooked now. Just look at that fiery redness of the gravy. Let's now add the onion rings. By the way, I did not add any water to this chicken. What you see there are the chicken's own juices. Stirring to combine now. Let's now cover and cook this chicken for 2 minutes. Checking for salt now. I'm adding a little bit more salt to the sambal. The chicken sambal is ready, so turning off the stove. Malaysian Sambal Chicken. Chili infused, fiery and succulent pieces of chicken, best served with white rice. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Selamat berpuasa. Stay safe. Bye.